our today's classes. So today is 15th February 2021 and the day is Monday, isn't it? So what are we going to start with? Can anyone tell me? Some subject is mentioned on the board? Yes, we are going to begin with English class. And in English, what are we going to do? Can anyone tell me? In your previous classes, you have learnt about different family words. We have learnt like and, then ack. You remember that? Then after that, ma'am told you how you can introduce yourself. आप अपने बारे में कोई भी in your school, at your home, when you are with your relatives, friends, कोई आपको पूछता है what is your name, how old are you, so how you have to answer all these things. That is, we have learnt about myself, isn't it? Then we also learnt about different fruits names. So moving to the same part as we have done fruits name, today ma'am is going to teach you about few vegetables name. So can anyone tell me what is the importance of vegetable? Vegetables are good for health or not? Yes, we have done this topic in our EVS, yummy fruits, vegetables, isn't it? Ma'am ने आपको बताया था which are the different vegetables we eat raw, which vegetable needs to be cooked, isn't it? Which vegetable we peel, which we don't, which are the vegetables we eat raw, that can be eaten raw. So all these things we have learned. Which part of the vegetable we use? Some vegetables we use the roots, some we use leaf, some we use their fruit, isn't it? So this is how we have learnt about lot of vegetables. Now what are we going to do today? Today we are going to write the name of some vegetables. Is that clear? As this is your English class, so you have to do this work in your English notebook. Clear? So shall we begin with the work? We are going to write few vegetables. Now you didn't told me, yes, what is the importance of vegetable? I asked you a question. Are these vegetables good for health? Yes, they are. They are very good for health. They give us lot of nutrients. उन्हीं से हमें शक्ति मिलती है. All these green leafy vegetables are good for our eyes, isn't it? इसमें इतना फाइबर होता है that they give us lot of energy. Water content होता है इनमें. And when we eat chapati with vegetable, वो बहुत yummy भी लगती है. Now if you eat only chapati without any vegetable, ना तो आप उसमें कुछ stuff कर रहे हो, ना आप उसको vegetable के साथ खा रहे हो, you are just eating your chapati that don't taste good at all. If you will eat vegetables, they are so rich in nutrients. आपको वो healthy भी बनाते हैं, आपकी eyes भी sharp होती हैं, then you get a sharp mind. So in all, vegetables are very necessary, important part of our diet. Clear? So let's write the name of few vegetables. So you can write name of your favorites also, and ma'am is going to write many, क्योंकि ma'am की तो बहुत सारी favorite vegetables हैं. Shall we start writing? Okay, let's begin. So the first vegetable is the one which is coming in this winter season. Very yummy, very juicy, and this vegetable can be eaten raw. We make vegetables also. सब्जी भी बनाती है मम्मा. Then we can make sweet dish also. Yes, एक ऐसा vegetable जिसकी sweet dish बनती है. And we get that in this winter season. And you know, we can make juice also with this. So these four things. Vegetable can be eaten raw as salad. Then you can make sweet dish and we make juice also. So what is that? Red in color. Carrots. Yes, I am talking about carrot. Now don't forget to mention numbers also. C-A-R-R So what is the name of the vegetable? Carrot. CARROT. So you must have seen how a carrot looks. Yes, you have seen that. Red color की होती है. It is little long. Different sizes में आती है. लंबी होती है. And sometimes we peel it, sometimes we don't. When we wash it thoroughly, तो आप इसको ऐसे भी खा सकते हो. And it tastes yum. गाजर का हलवा भी अच्छा लगता है. गाजर का जूस भी अच्छा लगता है. फिर मम्मा जब वेजिटेबल बनाती है यूजिंग कैरेट विद पीस, पोटैटोज एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, वो भी बहुत यम्मी लगती है. Isn't it? Okay. Now moving to the next is something that is bitter in taste. थोड़ी सी कड़वी लगती है, but mama use this in winters in vegetable and whenever we are making tea we use it. से अदरक पढ़ा है ना, मैम ने पढ़ाया होगा आपको. से अदरक. तो अदरक को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट यू कॉल दिस अदरक इन इंग्लिश? जिंजर. यस. सो जिंजर को हम नहीं खा पाते, तो मम्मा क्या करती है उसको अच्छे से ग्रेट करके एंड शी मिक्स इन द वेजिटेबल. बट दिस जिंजर इज वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ बिकॉज जब हम इसको विंटर्स में हम जिंजर को खाते हैं इन डिफरेंट वेज, इट गिव्स वार्म. वो क्या करती है विंटर में जब इतनी ठंड होती है ना, तो वो हमें वार्म रखती है, हमें हमारी बॉडी को गर्म रखती है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द रीजन मम्मा इज यूजिंग जिंजर इन फूड एंड टी में, तो वो बहुत यम लगती है, उसका एक अच्छा सा टेस्ट भी आता है. क्लियर? सो द नेक्स्ट वन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इज जिंजर. नंबर 2, जिंजर. Ginger. Now see again. Carrot. Ginger. I hope you are understanding what I want to tell you. Follow the sounds. Ginger. Okay. Now the number 3 next. Tell me one of your favorites, or should I write mine only? Okay. Something again red in color. Yummy soup. Then every vegetable needs it. कोई भी vegetable मम्मा बना रही है, we need it. Must to have. सूप भी बनता है इससे. Yes, we are talking about tomato. Yes, you are right. So the next one we are going to write is tomato. So you can write T like this, or you can write it your normal one also. Like this. Tomato. Okay? Tomato. Understood? Now next one. We have written carrot, ginger, tomato. Now can you tell me which is the next we are going to write? You know tomato can be eaten raw, in salad, we make soup, then obviously जब भी vegetable बनाते हैं we make curries, जो भी हम उसकी करी बनाते हैं वेजिटेबल की, we use tomato for that, isn't it? Now tell me one more. Okay, who is the king of vegetable? देखो, king of fruits is mango. So who is the king of vegetable? The one which is having a small crown on the top, green color ka, and this vegetable is little purple in color. Yes, can anyone tell me the name of this vegetable? Brinjal. Correct. So we are talking about brinjal. तो अब जल्दी से ask or you can think कि मम्मा ब्रिंजल की कौन सी सब्जी बनाती हैं. I'll write the name and then I'll tell you. So सोचो ब्रिंजल से कौन सी सब्जी बनती है फटाफट. Tell me. BRINJAL. Brinjal. Yes, फटाफट से बताइए. Which vegetable मम्मा? Sorry. हाँ, ब्रिंजल को यूज करके मम्मा क्या बनाते हैं? बैंगन का भरता, और it can be आलू बैंगन की सब्जी, isn't it? So why I am telling you the name of vegetables, so that you can associate कि हाँ मम्मा ब्रिंजल को यूज करके बैंगन का भरता बनाती है, आलू बैंगन की सब्जी भी बनाती है, isn't it? So now you got what is brinjal. Brinjal is बैंगन. What is brinjal? बैंगन, and it comes in different sizes. One we have small, गोल गोल सा होता है, देन वी हैव अ बिग साइज, देन वी हैव समथिंग विच इज लॉन्ग, पतला होता है, थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग होता है. सो दीज आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ब्रिंजल्स वी हैव. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अनदर अ वेजिटेबल दैट comes in winter season specially. Nowadays you can get in summers also, and they are in the pod. तो क्या होता है, कवर में होते हैं, आपको उन्हें छीलना पड़ता है और उसके अंदर से छोटे 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 पर्ल्स जैसे दाने निकलते हैं ग्रीन कलर के. Yes, what I am talking about is मटर, and we call it peas. What do you call it? Peas. और peas को हिंदी में कहते हैं मटर. Clear? So how we are going to write that? P-E-A-S, peas. So till now we have learned carrot, ginger, tomato, brinjal, peas. One very important vegetable तो हम भूल ही गए. Every now and then हम उसी को यूज करते हैं और आप लोग तो सबसे ज्यादा वही वेजिटेबल खाते हो, आलू का पराठा, isn't it? आलू की सब्जी. So what is this आलू called? We call it potato. Yes. So the next one we are going to write here is potato. Okay, tell me which type of potato vegetable you like to eat. आपको कौन सी potato की vegetable सबसे अच्छी लगती है? You have to tell me that. It can be chaat in the chaat form, or potatoes are used in samosas. Lot of things we make using potato. Potato की vegetable हो गई, पराठा हो गया, then this potato is used in smileys. Then we have French fries made of this potato, isn't it? Many dishes we have, all are made of potatoes. So let's write that. How we are going to do? Potato. Potato. Clear? So we have carrot, ginger, tomato, brinjal, peas, potato. So these are the 6 we have written now. Okay, moving ahead. Tell me something. Again we use it in salads, in vegetables, और ये थोड़ा सा whenever mama cuts it ना, mama keeps crying. बहुत टीयर्स आते हैं आईज में से, इतना you can call it, उसका जो जूस होता है वो आईज में लगता है. So whenever mama cuts it ना, she starts crying. So what is that? Onion. Yes. So I'm talking about onion. O-N-I-O-N. It's onion. Clear? How you are going to pronounce it? Onion. Now, next we have is, yes, tell me which is the next you want to write. Tell me. मम्मा मुझे वेजिटेबल नहीं खाना, इसमें बहुत चिली है. So chili is also a vegetable. जब मम्मा उसमें बहुत ज्यादा ग्रीन चिलीज डाल देती हैं. So green है, red है, there are 2 different type of chilies. So chili is also a vegetable. Green वाली चिली जिसके मम्मा pickles भी बनाती हैं, vegetables में भी डालती हैं. So let's write chilies. C-H-I-L-L-I-E-S. So what is it? Chilies. Now just read all the one that we have written till now and tell me anything that we have forgotten here to write. Carrot, ginger, tomato, potato. टोमेटो के बाद क्या है? ब्रिंजल है. Then we have peas, potato, then we have onion, chilies. Now, next vegetable that we are going to write is a green leafy vegetable, and उसके बहुत बड़े बड़े लीफ होते हैं. When we make vegetable, we can put paneer or potato in it. So एक बहुत पहले ना बहुत फेमस कार्टून आता था, पॉपाय द सेलर मैन. वो पॉपाय, अब जैसे भीम आता है ना, भीम को वो लड्डू खा के ताकत मिलती है, तो वो जो पॉपाय था, पॉपाय क्या करता था, सेलर मैन था, वो सेल करता था बोट को. तो जब उसको फाइट करना होता था किसी से, तो वो ना उसको खाता था और उसको भीम जिनसे एनर्जी आ जाती थी, जैसे भीम को लड्डू खा के आती है. So what was that? Spinach. What was that? Spinach. So have you ever seen spinach? What we call it? पालक. पालक की सब्जी खाइए, दाल पालक होती है. Then we have पालक पनीर. So it is green in color, very tasty. इसका leaf portion use होता है. It's a leafy vegetable and is very good for our eyes. Okay, let's write that. Number 9 is spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Clear? So it is S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Now, last one more vegetable we are going to write. And what is that? गोल गोल होता है, बिग सा होता है. And we can make different sort of vegetables. Few people make sweet dish, again हलवा बनता है इससे. And we call it pumpkin. आपने कभी देखा होगा, कभी भी कोई थीम पार्टीज होती हैं, या आपने देखा होगा जो ड्रैकुला टाइप पार्टीज होती हैं, उसमें हम क्या करते हैं? We cut it in zigzag form, eyes बनाते हैं and all that, isn't it? So what is that? Pumpkin. इसको हम कद्दू भी बोलते हैं. What do you call it? कद्दू. Some people call it kaddu, some call it petha. In English we call it pumpkin. So let's write that. P-U-M-P, pumpkin. K-I-N, pumpkin. Clear everyone? So these are name of few vegetables, just few. We have mint, coriander, again leafy vegetables जिनको हम garnishing के लिए use करते हैं. We have turnip, we have sweet potato, बहुत सारे हैं. There are n number of vegetables. We have yam, we have taro. तो अब क्या है? It's all, what I want to tell you is vegetables are good for health. These are just very few we have written. आप देखेंगे lady finger, again one of the favorites we have. Then बहुत सारी, yes, garlic is one. जिंजर के साथ garlic भी use होता है. We have garlic, lady finger. Then we have yam, taro, यानी कि कचालू होती है. Then अरबी की सब्जी होती है. All these, I know you all might be aware of them. Capsicum is one. Shimla mirch, isn't it? So these capsicum are used on pizzas, sandwiches, while making. Then Italian food, pasta बनता है. Then we have broccoli. We have sweet corns. Corns are also referred as vegetables nowadays, isn't it? So n number of vegetables we have. These are very few that we have written. What you have to do is add lot of vegetables in your diet. I know you are talking about कि लिखना है. That I'll tell you how to do. But the most important thing is add lot of vegetables in your diet so that you can remain healthy and fight germs and never fall sick. कभी बीमार ही नहीं पड़ेंगे अगर आप बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल्स को अपनी डाइट में, अपने खाने में इंक्लूड करेंगे. ओके, सो क्लास, नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द notebook work. So your notebook work is, we are going to write all these names in the notebook as classwork. Homework, again you have to write them, but after learning them. Clear? So let's see how to write all these names in the notebook. Okay, open your English notebook. So this is your English work. We are going to do in English notebook. Okay. So class, now let's see how we are going to write the name of different vegetables in our notebook. Okay. So the first thing that you are going to do is write today's date. That is 15th February 2021. Then mention the topic, vegetables name, and don't forget to write classwork. Okay? After writing all these three things, how we are going to begin? By writing numbers. Don't forget that you have to number your vegetables. So number 1. So which is the first one we have written? Carrot. CARROT. What is this? Carrot. Then after this, number 2. So which is the next one we have written? Ginger. GIN, gin, GER, ger. Ginger, GINGER, ginger. Then the next one we have is tomato. Let's write that. TOMATO. Tomato. After tomato we have king of vegetables, brinjal. Yes. So let's write that. BRINJAL. Brinjal. Clear? Now after brinjal we have written peas. 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 Peas yani matar. Then next we have is potato. Potato. It's POTATO. Potato. After potato we have onions. ONION. 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 Then after that, which is the next one we have? Chilies, isn't it? So let's write that. CHILLLIES. Chilies. Then after chilies, okay, I'll write here now, number 9. After chilies, which is the next one, green color, leafy vegetable, spinach. 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 And number 10 we have pumpkin. 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 Clear? So class, see how many we have written? 10 vegetables. Carrot, ginger, tomato, brinjal, peas, potato, onion, chilies, spinach, pumpkin. So these are the vegetables that you are going to write in your notebook. This one is your classwork. So your homework will be learn them and then you have to write as homework. Write them again as homework. Okay? So first you are going to learn them and then you will write them again as your homework. Is that clear to everyone? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do the work. Clear? Work karna hai. Write them as your today's classwork first. Then please take time to learn them. And when you are learning this, don't forget to revise the previous work also. वो भी आपको revise करना है. And after learning the name of these vegetables, you can write them as your today's homework. अब एक छोटी सी fun activity बताते हैं. What you can do is, whenever mama is going to market to a greengrocer. So who is a greengrocer? I told you about different social helpers. Who is a greengrocer? सब्जी वाले अंकल जो होते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं greengrocer. So whenever mama is going to a greengrocer, whenever she is going to purchase vegetables, just go with her. And when you will visit the shop, जब आप वहाँ shop पे देखोगे, there are n number of vegetables kept, and just try to tell the name of all these vegetables to your mama. Clear? Mama को बताना कि uncle के पास जब आप जाओगे, lot of baskets will be there. Then you tell This basket is having cucumber. It's a salad. We can eat it raw. This is turnip. This is brinjal. Because I know we have already done this topic of vegetables in EVS. And I hope you have not forgotten it. Okay? So this is how we can revise the topics that we have done without using our books, with live examples. So visit to a greengrocer with your parents and just see which are the different vegetables they are selling. Okay? Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next class.